Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine and well. Today we are doing another sketch and I hope you're gonna find it easy. So let's start it. So every time before you start to draw a face, what I do is I draw at first a circle like an egg. This is a circle. Let's draw a circle at first. You don't need to draw a perfect circle. Just draw a circle like this. We are going to draw a shape face. Then just draw like this. This is the neck. This is the neck. Like this. Another neck will come like from this here. Now we are going to draw the faces details. Okay. Then draw a center line. You always need a center line. If you are drawing a front view, then always draw a center line. Then for the eyebrows, for the eyes, this is just a shape. I'm not drawing in details right now. So we need to more. So now we have to fix the face shape. These are some details of the face. Okay, now we are going to fix the face shape. Like this. If you love my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you love to watch such videos, and if you know someone love to watch such videos like drawing, painting, sketches, then please share this video with those person. It will be helpful for me. Then there will be ear like this. Like this, earrings. Yes. Now draw some hair. I do different like sometimes I draw hair at first, then I draw the face. Sometimes I draw the face, then I draw the hair. like anytime I do anything that I like. So when you will be able to draw, it totally depends on you what you want to do at first. It's totally your choice. If you're my subscriber, then you know that I am a K-pop fan and I watch K-pop songs. So nowadays I am listening to Somi's Dum Dum song. It's really amazing. I would love to suggest you this song. I hope you're gonna like it. So please hear these songs. Watch the movie. I mean the MV, not the movie. What I'm talking. It's looking like sugar when I'm drawing the J-Hope. When I'm drawing J-Hope, it's looking like sugar. Oh my god. It's okay, by the way. Just draw whoever you want to draw. This is a headband that this person is wearing. Like this, draw the design. Now it's done. Now I'm gonna draw the eye. At first draw the eyebrows. By the way, my channel is about art. If you love to watch such videos, then you can subscribe my channel. I forgot to take my blending stamp. Like, I don't have blending stamp. I use cotton bar for blending. I forgot to take it. I have to go to find it where it is. I'll go, but not now. At first, let me draw. I'll come back after finding my cotton burr. I need that for blending, so wait for me. Hey, I'm back with my cotton burr. I'll blend it. It's almost done. It's done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Let's meet you in my next video. Bye.